Good evening, this is Ashish, register number your 15CA038. Today I'm going to show you the experiment number 6 of Unix and Linux lab. That is, we have to create a bank management system and library management system. So this is the code for the bank management system. Here I have given the options for like 1 to deposit, 2 to withdraw, 3rd to balance, check balance, 4 to enter new account, 5 to exit. So it will first read all the options that are given. Now for creating new account, first it will ask enter your name. It will read that name, then it will print you are and your name. Then it will print new account has been created, check balance. For deposit, you will enter the amount to deposit. It will read the amount that is being deposited, and from the account it will add the deposited amount to the already available amount to the account. And it will at last it will print deposited successfully. For withdraw, similarly it is enter the amount to withdraw, read the amount. If amount is greater than the deposited amount, it cannot withdraw, and it will print as like. And if amount is less than the deposited amount, already amount that is available in the account, so it will withdraw it, and it will subtract that total amount, and then it will print if withdrawn successfully. For balance, it will check the balance, and it will print your balance is. So there are certain cases like for 1 it is for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 3 for balance, and 4 for new. So this is the program. Now I'll run the program. sh6a.sh. Here we can it is asking enter 1 to deposit, 2 to withdraw, 3 for balance, 4 for new account, 5 for exit. So enter your choice. I'm giving as first for deposit. Enter the amount to be deposited. It is like 1500. It is deposited successfully, 1500 in account. So I'll check the balance. So I'll type 3. So your balance is 1500. It is being showing. Now I have to withdraw that amount. So enter choice 2. Amount to be withdrawn. Suppose I have to withdraw 500. So withdrawn successfully. Now I'll check the balance again. So balance is 1000. So this is the experiment number 6A. Now I'm going to show you the 6B, that is library management system. So this is the library management system for that we have to draw. So first it is to add book. It will ask enter the book name. It will read that book name. Then it will ask book author. It will read that book author. Then book ID, book publisher name, and number of books that will be available. So be available is if it is available, it will print as yes, it is available. Otherwise, it will print no. For displaying book, it is for displaying book, it is like list of the all book. For j is equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus, it will display the book ID, book name, book author, book publisher, book availability. It will all display the book. For similarly for searching book, it will enter the book ID. We can, by giving the book ID, we can search the book that is available, and it is a certain condition like for j is equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus. If book ID is present in that if book ID is present there, it will print book found, and your book ID is there, and it will print the all details like book name, book author, book publisher, book availability, and all. If it is not available, it will print book not found. Then for lending a book, it is enter the book ID that you have to lend. We have to get book ID, and it will check whether the book is available or not. If it is available, it will print Y, and then we can lend it. And at last, if it is not available, then it will print book not available. For returning book, similarly, we have to enter the book ID to be returned, and it will read the book ID. If book is available, it will check for the availability of the book. If it is not available, it will print N, it is not available. And then it is while entering the ID, it will read the ID, and it will check with the availability of the book that is already being stored, and it will at last print the thank you for returning. And otherwise it will print book already returned. So here are the options that we're going to use: add book, search book, lend book, display book, then 5 for return book, and it will read the choice. And at last, other than 1 2 3 4 5, if I'll give any option, it will give invalid option, and we have to choose it again. So this is 6B. So I'll run 6b.sh. So it is asking whether to add book, search book, lend book, display book, or return book. So I have to add book. So it's asking book name. So book name, suppose I'm similarly giving as ABC. Book author is QWE. Book ID is 1 2 3. Book publisher is ASD. Number of book available, suppose I'm giving as 5. So now I have to display the book details. So I'll print 4. Here is the book details. Book ID is 1 2 3. Book name is ABC. Book author, book publisher, number of availability. Now I have to lend a book. So I'll press 3. Enter the book ID. So I'm giving as book ID 3. So thank you for lending ABC. That is the book name. It is being printed. Now I'll search for the display. It is like 123 book ID, and number of ability is 4 because of one book has been lended. Thank you for this is the experiment number 6. Thank you.